Hey, what's going on, y'all? So today we got 3 value packs of 2021 score. We got Mahomes there in the front, and let's open them up and let's see what we get. It says here, let's see if we get any. Oh yeah, it says some gold, exclusive gold parallels, dots gold. All right, well let's see. There's not much explaining to do with score. We know we're gonna get a bunch of rookies and a bunch of base. So let's open it up. Let's see how lucky we get today. Blake Martinez, Jim Kelly, Alex Smith, Cam Newton, Ray Lewis, Levante David, Khalil Mack, and a lot of flipping too. Randy Moss, Kareem Hunt, Mo Ali Cox, Roquan Smith, Derrick Henry, Todd Gurley the second, and I think that's like a red one, right? So you can see up there where it says score. I think that should be like some kind. Yeah, it's a red parallel. Yeah. And then we got this one 3D. Laura Bowman, Nick Bosa, and Patrick Willis. DeMarcus Lawrence, also a red. Charles Woodson, 97 national champ, throwback. Derek Carr, next level. Nick Bosa again, game face. Okay. Julio Jones. All right, we got Justin Fields, 2021. It's like a throwback. That looks pretty cool. Put that off to the side. Next level stats with Justin Herbert. Game face Howie Long. Justin Herbert. Got a Trevor Lawrence. All right. Trevor Lawrence, Collegiate Champions, 2018 National Champ. Cool. Then we got Justin Jefferson. 3D of Harry Carson, Lawrence Taylor, and Strahan. We got my boy Zeke. All right, we got the rookies here. We got Javon Holland, Michael Carter, Larry Roundtree, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Brevin Jordan, Greg Rousseau. Then we got Drew Lock, Michael Dixon, Jeff Heath, Darren Fells, Hopkins, DJ Moore, and Raheem Mostert. All right, that's our first pack there. Let's get our second one here. Let's open this one up. All right. Then we got here a Justin Tucker, Amari Cooper, Ronald Jones, Emmanuel Ogba, Marcus Peters, Quinnen Williams, Corey Davis, Marquez Valdes-Scantling, Luke Kuechly, David Johnson, Juju, Blankenship. Got a red Adam Thielen here. Okay, Adam Thielen. Adam Humphries. I'm sorry, let me put this, yeah. Got an Adam Humphries here. Then we got a red of Peyton Ramsey. Game face J.J. Watt. Christian McCaffrey. 2021 rookie Trey Lance. Also another little throwback card there. That's pretty awesome. Tom Brady. Got Charles Woodson, Deion Sanders, and Champ Bailey. Deshaun Watson. Joe Burrow, 2019 National Champ. Chase Claypool. The Vikings there. Smith, Randall, and Allen. Nick Chubb. Another rookie, Kyle Pitts. Throwback card there. Juju Smith-Schuster. We got our rookies here. We got Trey McKitty, Carlos Basham, Kyle Trask, Davis Mills, Jared Patterson, Puka Williams, and then we end with Tom Brady, Kenyon Drake, Brian Burns, Fred Warner, Tim Patrick, Mark Gastineau, and a Charles Woodson. All right, let's get to our final pack. Now, the one who actually hooked me up with these packs was my cousin, Frankie. So I'm going to save this last pack for him. So this is for him. This is for you, Frankie. It's going to be yours. So whatever comes out of here, let me just kind of move it. I'll save it for him. Okay, so we got Derek Barnett, Dan Marino, Marquise Brown, Jamison Crowder, Travis Kelce, Darius Slayton, Aaron Jones, Young-Ho Koo, Kyle Rudolph, Ben Roethlisberger, Michael Pittman, Julio Jones, Justin Jefferson. It's a cool picture. We got a red Harrison Smith, a red Taysom Hill, Hunter Long rookie card. We got a Palomalu, Lambert, and Watt, Drew Lock, Charles Woodson, DK. Got a Tom Brady there, 97 national champs. Drew Brees, Kyle Trask, rookie, cool. Adam Thielen, Sapp, Smith, and Donald. We got a Cam Newton, Khalil Mack, Josh Allen, and then we hit our rookies: Trey Lance, Stevie Scott, Demetric Felton, Sean Wade, Shai Smith, and Quincy Roche. And then we got Alan Lazard, Hunter Henry, Michael Thomas, Robert Woods, Trey Hendrickson, and finally, to end it, a Jamal Adams. Alright guys, well that's it for that one. And yeah, so if you can, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next vid.